I used to think coding was only for smart people. In my first semester of college, I didn't even understand C++. Now I can build Android apps, and no, it is not magic, it is a process. I am an informatics student, and in this video, I'm not here to lecture you. I want to show you step by step the tools and apps I used to go from zero to actually building something. I didn't become good overnight. I just keep learning slowly, and at some point, I realized something. You don't learn coding by just reading about it. You learn by building things. This was a turning point for me, Android Studio, not because it's a magic tool, but because for the first time I could see real result from my logic. At first, it was overwhelming, a lot of loading, a lot of error, but something changed. I started understanding why the error happened. This app is very simple, but when this text appeared on my screen, something clicked. I was just doing assignment anymore. I was building something. The logic from C++ is still here, only the form has changed from text on a black screen to app in my hand. This was one of the first things I built. It looks simple, but this was the moment I realized that code actually worked. This part still feels satisfying when someone types something and application responds. No magic, just logic doing its job. This is what most applications are made of. If this happens, do that over and over again. At this point, things start to feel bigger, not just a screen, but a flow. I also learned that small changes matter. Spacing, color, layout, a little detail make things feel real. I did not build this in one day. I did not understand everything at once, but every small project made the next one easier. At some point, I stopped being afraid or of error. That becomes part of the process. If you are just starting, if everything feels confusing, this is what progress actually looks like. This is not the end. It's just what learning looks like. Nothing here is complicated by itself, but when you put small things together, they start to feel powerful. There was a time when all of this felt impossible, not because it was hard, but because it was unfamiliar. I didn't avoid error, I met them every day, and slowly I stopped seeing them as failure. This screen exists because 100 of small decisions, some right and some wrong. This is not just one app, it is a result of repetition. Each project taught me something different, not just about code but about patterns. Most learning to code look like this: writing, texting, fixing. If you are never code before, this is what really happened behind the skin. You don't need to be smart, you just need to stay. I still don't understand everything, and that's okay. Understanding comes later, consistency comes first. If you are watching this and feel lost, you are probably closer than you think. This is not about talent, it is about showing up. This is not a tutorial, this is not motivation. This is just proof that learning leaves trace. If you want to keep learning like this without complicated jargon, subscribe. We will take it one step at a time. Bye bye.